Kanto Lampo Waterfall. Kanto Lampo Waterfall is about an hour's drive from Denpasar city. It was around 8:30 a.m. when we arrived at Kanto Lampo, and it is a fantastic time to explore this waterfall. There are hundreds of steps to reach the waterfall, so catch your breath. The name Kanto Lampo comes from the presence of trees that grow around the river. Unlike most waterfalls, where the water falls straight down and into the river, Kanto Lampo Waterfall is surrounded by a wall of dark stones that are randomly positioned, structuring steps where the water brushes them first before falling into the river, creating a very beautiful waterfall pattern that makes it even more special. Surrounded by jungle, a river flows around the waterfall. This will make your time here unforgettable. There are lots of tourists taking photos here, so you'll have to wait in line to get your own. Be patient! Shower, toilet, and changing facilities are also available here. Let's get changed and move on to the next waterfall. We will have more waterfall tours coming up, so make sure to tune in and subscribe to our channel. Betty Williams is signing out. See you again soon in our tour episodes. Toodles!